In this video, we are going to solve this exercise. Here it says rewrite the code in ways that system will understand it. There is an example. So if your code is like this, system will understand it in this way. This will be your declaration phase and this will be execution phase. So we should be doing the same thing for other code. So I'll clone this code here. So let's start with declaration phase. In declaration phase, it will skip this line, a variable declaration will happen and the value will be undefined. Moving on to next, we have another variable declaration called number, it will not be initialized. We have a function declaration called say hello, so we will define it here. We have two other variable, message, it is defined using late, so it will not be initialized. Var next message will be initialized with undefined. So declaration phase is over. Moving on to execution phase. In execution phase, we are assigning the value. So first thing that will happen is we are calling this function. So that is the first thing that will happen. Next is we are adding the value of Arya to number to username. Number is assigned a value 21. Similarly here we are saying message is equal to say hello and next message is say hello again. Sorry, we are supposed to write the code here, but that's perfectly fine. So here we need to do that thing again. So what will happen is this will move down. I'm just going to do it right here so it is easier to do it. So let message will come here. It will not get initialized. Let number will not get initialized. Say hello will not get initialized because it is defined using let. Similarly, let message will not get initialized, but next message will get initialized with undefined. Now all this declaration will go away and here var will also go away. So this is what it will look like. The top one is declaration and this one is execution phase. Here in declaration phase, first thing that will happen is it will not be initialized. This is again, it will not be initialized. Message defined using let, so it will not be initialized. Say hello defined using let, so it will also not get initialized. Variable, it will get initialized to undefined because it is defined using var. We'll remove this declaration from here and this one also. So in this way, this will happen in declaration phase and this will happen in execution phase. Here in declaration phase, these two things, the first one, it will move on the top with the value of undefined and the value of age will not be initialized because it is defined using let. So here var will go away and let will go away. So this will happen in declaration phase and this will happen in execution phase. Moving on to this, here in this code, we can see that in declaration phase, this will happen, in execution, this will happen. If we have to go inside it, then it will be a different story. What will happen is var will move on the top when you execute that function with the value of undefined. Similarly, age will move on the top because that is what hoisting is all about. And here the declaration will go away when you're calling this function. So this part will be declaration phase, this one will be execution phase. Even here, var name, it will be undefined. We are calling this function, we can do that. Why? Because function declaration gets hoisted. So the first thing that will happen, it will move on the top and now this variable declaration will be initialized with undefined and age will also get moved on top, but it will not get initialized. This will happen in declaration phase and this will happen in execution phase. Here we are calling say hi The only thing that will move on top is the declaration of say hi. It will not have any value and it will throw an error. Why? Because say hi doesn't have any value and you're trying to call it thinking it is a function, so it will not work. Let's move on to this one. All the declarations. So you can see let num will move on the top. Here it will become num is num1 equal to 21. Similarly, var sum will move on the top, initialized with undefined, and let num will also move on the top. It will not get initialized. Here on the top, this is what will happen in declaration phase and this will happen in execution phase. Now here again, this is a variable declaration. It will move on the top, initialized with undefined. This is another variable declaration, but this is using let, so this will not get initialized. We have another variable declaration called add. It will not do anything. Function, the whole, because it is function declaration, it will move on the top. Now we have two other things. num2 is a variable defined using let and sum defined using let. So this is what will happen in declaration phase, and all the declaration var let will be deleted. So this is execution phase and this is declaration phase. Here, this function is already on the top. This will move on the top here next to the function. It will not get initialized. Even this will not get initialized. Similarly here, these two declaration will go away. So this is what will happen in declaration. This will happen in execution phase. The function is already on the top. This will move here just next to this. And this will move like this. This is a function declaration, so it will move on the top. So in declaration phase, this is all that will happen, and execution, this is what will happen. So in this way, we completed this exercise by trying to understand how actually the execution of any piece of code happens.